Exactly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. In bocca al lupo.
Thank you very much. That's perfect. Thank you very much, sir. What's up, man?
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Fine, fine.
You,
Good.
are you happy?
Pretty much happy, thank God.
Yeah. Why you are happy?
Because we are still in life. We passed through really bad time in
Yeah.
the last 2 years.
Yep.
And we come back again in normality. I see the people, a lot of people without mask, anything. We come back in good time like 2 years ago.
Great.
No coronavirus, party
Party.
and enjoyment.
Perfect.
That's it.
So, what do you recommend for the people?
Enjoy your life every day.
Okay.
Life is one.
Okay.
And enjoy your every moment with your family,
Perfect.
your sister, mom, father, your friends. Enjoy your time with them. It's very important.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you, buddy. Best of luck.
Nice couple. Are you happy?
Oh yeah,
Yes, we
definitely
are.
happy.
What makes you happy?
You want to go first?
His compassion.
Okay.
He's very sweet. He's loving.
Wow.
We have a great connection. We've been together for 8 years, and we've been. Our parents were pregnant with us at the same time.
That's amazing.
So from babies, from womb to now.
All right. That's perfect. Yeah.
So just our connection and communication makes us love even more.
Impressive. What about you, sir?
I can't follow up that answer. I think my happiness comes from just knowing that I make her happy.
Okay.
Little things that I do, just being there and being supportive with her with us throughout our time together is what makes me happy. Doing
So-
for others.
So makes people happy, be happy.
Yes.
Thank
Definitely.
you. So what's your entire message for all the world? If you want to give like some suggestion.
If you do have any problems, you can always get through them. And then the end goal is always happiness for both parties.
That's perfect. Thank you
All
very
right, man.
much, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
Sir, can I ask your name?
Yes, my name is Donny.
Donny. Hi, Donny. Are you happy?
I'm very happy
Why you are so happy?
because I can make happy to the others.
Okay.
Every time when I can make happy to the others, I feel happy with myself.
That's
Just
perfect.
a little bit about happy. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Ragazzi, come vi chiami?
Ilenia? Angela.
Angela. Siete felici?
Sì, sì.
Perché?
Oggi sì,
Oggi sì.
perché c'è il sole, c'è una bella giornata,
Ok.
abbiamo mangiato un buon piatto di pasta
E siamo state felici delle piccole
Le
cose
cose.
che questa città ci ha donato oggi.
e quindi sì, oggi siamo felici.
Beh,
Domani non lo so.
Domani
ma-
non sappiamo.
Domani non lo sappiamo, però se devo risponderti alla domanda, oggi sì, sono molto felice. Sono felice di quello che ho.
Perfetto. Anche a lei uguale, no?
Sì.
Ok, grazie mille.
A te, ciao. In bocca al lupo.
What was your name?
Marilu.
Marilu.
My name is Marilu.
You are Italian?
I'm Italian.
Are you happy?
I am.
Why are you happy?
Because I can work again.
Okay. So do you advise like the people like 20 years old, like what's your advice for them to become happy?
Try to do whatever can make you happy. I think.
Okay, make happy things and be happy.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.